Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Rumi's white outfit on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made accessory adjustments on as per usual, which is a lot actually. You don't need VIP for this unless you want to get the earrings, and it's not super important because you can't really see it anyways. Grab this hair in 914 FAE, then this hair in that same color, but the second one is 924 FAF. Position the Y at 0.6 and scale it to 0.17. Grab this updo in the same color, position the Y to 0.69, Z 0.47, rotate the X to 0.39 and scale it to 0. Grab these lashes from codes and toggle it to the 9th one, position the Y at 0.49 and that's it. Grab this belt and color it E18F3B for everything in silk in the first toggle first, and then you're going to move it to the second toggle. Once you've done that, position the Y at 0.56, rotate the Z to 0.53 and scale it to 0.38. And then for the outfit, I'm going to get this top here in white in a light silk. And then these pants, if I can just click on them, in light silk in white as well. And then, sorry, my shirt tag is bothering me. Grab this necklace in that same color in silk, and then we're going to get this one in the same color, and then this in white, and then I'm going to color it this, and then lastly we're going to add the chains toggle here and color it just like a gray, I guess, like this gray. For the shoes, we're going to get this one from the currency item and color it white, except for the laces we're going to go with gold. Then I am going to grab these earrings. Oops. In silk. And if you have VIP, you can add an extra cuff earring, but if you don't have it, it's not very it's optional. Okay, that's what I meant to say. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I'm just going to add a mic here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.